In this video, we will set up the individual membership types to be sold at your centre. Your links administrator and memberships manager should be present for this training. Before beginning this training, please ensure you have a list of memberships currently available at your centre, including prices and membership terms. To enter your membership types, go into the admin module and select membership/VPs, membership, types. First, give the membership a code. It is recommended you start with code M1000. Then each time a new membership is created, you can simply click Next Code. Enter a description for the membership. For example, Adult Direct Debit Full Access Membership. Select the Membership Details button. This is where we will set all the rules, costs, and terms of the membership. Under the Details tab, select the category for this membership type. Set the membership term. If this membership is in a direct debit category, the term will be perpetual. If it is in an upfront category, you will be able to set how long the membership lasts in days, weeks, months, or years. If this is a direct debit membership, you will also be able to set if this membership has a minimum term. Set the minimum term. This can be either a soft expiry date, meaning the membership must be kept until at least this date, or a hard expiry date, meaning the membership will expire after this time. Select Print Docket for each visit if you want a receipt to be printed every time a customer scans in with this membership type. Select Family Membership if you want to allow multiple customers to share a membership. This membership will be sold to one person and the other family members added under them. If the person who first purchased the membership suspends or cancels their membership, all family members on that membership will also be suspended or cancelled. If this membership is in an upfront category, you can also set a fixed expiry date or date. When this membership type is sold, you will be able to select from the nominated fixed expiry date set here. This can be useful for promotional memberships. Under the Contract Price tab, you will need to enter in the price for the membership. Pay in advance or direct debit will already be blocked out based on the category you assigned the membership to. Select the appropriate payment type and enter in the price, either the total price for the membership if it is upfront, or the amount per direct debit period if it is a direct debit membership. If this is an upfront membership, you can set the price for the membership, then select Allow Part Payment if you want to allow your customers to pay off the membership over time. If this is the case, you will need to fill in the details under the Payment Schedule tab. For upfront memberships with part payment allowed, you can set the minimum amount to be paid, then add the individual payments to be made. Select whether the payment period will be in months, weeks, or days, or as a percentage of the length of the contract. Select if the amount for the payment will be in dollars or as a percentage of the total contract price. Set the period and amount and click Add. Continue adding payments to ensure the entirety of the contract is paid out. Under the Suspension tab, we can set the suspension limits and fees. If there is no limit on how long a customer with this membership can suspend, select Suspension Unlimited. If a suspension limit applies, for example 4 weeks, select Suspension Limited and enter in the maximum number of days that this can be suspended for per year. If a fee for suspending the membership applies, you will need to instead select Suspension Fee Applies. Use the 3 dots to select the service code for the suspension fee. This will need to have been set up previously when creating your services. The amount will be automatically entered based on the service code. You can define a fee-free period. For example, they can suspend their membership for up to 2 weeks for free, then the fee applies for any longer suspension periods. Set whether the suspension is unlimited or a maximum amount of days per year. If you have allowed separate suspension rules for each membership type in Site Setup, you can click Set Suspension Limit Rollover Rules. Either select Use Site Parameters, and these will be listed here as they have already been defined in Site Setup, or select Set Parameters for the current membership type and enter in the relevant details. Click OK. Under the Joining Fees tab, we can set up to 2 joining fees for this membership type. you will need to set up the services for any joining fees you wish to apply. Use the three dots to select the appropriate service code. Select Pay on Exit if you want the joining fee to become an exit fee that will be collected when the membership ends. Moving on to the Available Date and Time tab, we can set the times that this membership is allowed to be used. This can be useful for teen memberships that are only allowed outside school hours or off-peak memberships. If this membership type can be used anytime the centre is open, leave this tab blank. Otherwise, enter the day, from and to time the membership can be used and click Add. Add all the appropriate days and times that the membership can be used. Under the Comments tab, enter any relevant comments needed, then click OK. You will be returned to the membership setup screen. Under the Reporting tab, select the category, subcategory and split required and click Add, remembering that you can set multiple categories and subcategories so long as all subcategories under the one category type add up to 100%. Under the Grouping tab, select the product group to add this membership type to if applicable. Use the drop-down menu to select the group or click Setup to add a new group, then click Add. Under the Activities tab, we can select any activities this membership is used for. When a member scans in, the activities will appear, allowing you to select what they are using on that occasion. An activities report can then be run to show centre use by activity. Use the drop-down menu to select the required activity. You can add multiple activities if needed. Under the Prerequisites tab, you can select if a customer must have a certain membership type or types to be able to also purchase this membership. If required, use the three dots to find the membership type, then click Apply. Or to add multiple membership types, select Add Membership Types from pop-up and select the necessary memberships. Once you have entered in all the details in Membership Details and entered in the required information in the tabs, click Save. Membership types can be made inactive if you no longer want them to be able to be sold. Use the three dots to find the membership type you wish to make inactive and click Set Status. Set to Inactive will allow anyone who currently has this membership to keep it. However, the membership type will not be able to be sold to new customers. A membership can be set to Closed if there are no current contracts for that membership type. Once you have set the status, click Save. If you wish to reactivate an inactive membership type, use the three dots to search for the membership type you wish to reactivate, making sure you select Include Inactive. Select the membership, then select Set Status and set the status to Active. Then click Save. This feature can be useful if you have promotional memberships. The membership can be set to active during the promotional period, made inactive when it is no longer on offer, then reactivated next time you run the promotion. You will need to go through the membership type setup each time you wish to offer a new membership type at your centre. Once your membership categories and types are set up, you are ready to start selling your memberships. Either continue setting up your other modules such as classes and facilities as required, or go straight to Access Parameters to allow members to access the centre, and Touchscreen Layout to apply buttons to your touchscreen to make your memberships quick and easy to sell.